Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Cozy Self Remedy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get rid of blackhead, whitehead using those things you can find in your kitchen. And I want to thank you for those of you that have subscribed to this channel. And if you have not yet, click on the subscribe button on this channel. Just check below this video and do what? Click on the subscribe button, and immediately after you've clicked on the subscribe button, you do what? Click on the notification button in order to be notified whenever I bring you new video. Right beside me is Zeno, and the person beside the Cozy. I understand. So Zeno will be masking me while I will be masking Zeno. So we know, I want us to watch this video closely and maybe to the end to see who does it better, to see who is going to mask who better. But I believe one of us will do it better. So drop your comment. You just check below this video, use the comment box and drop a comment on who does it better and your views, what you think as regards the video that you are going to watch to the end. So what do you have to tell your viewers? They are seeing you for the first time.
Hello viewers. All right, this video we're going to be doing a simple do-it-yourself facial mask.
Okay.
And we're going to be using the main ingredients as egg white. And why we're going to be using egg white is because egg white has nutrients and vitamins that helps tighten the pores of the skin and also tones it. So you're going to see this because this is a normal routine for me. I use facial mask every time to keep my skin tightened and also to keep it looking fresh.
So let's go straight into the video.
All right, like I said earlier, for this video I'm going to be using eggs. Here I have an egg. I'm going to be using 3 eggs because I'm applying this mask on 2 faces. When it's just your face, 2 eggs is okay. All right, and I'm going to be separating the egg white and the yolk. I'm going to separate the egg white from the yolk here in this glass. So let's see how we're going to do the preparation, the separation.
So to separate the egg white from the yolk, this is the egg. Let's see how the separation is going to be done. Okay, I'll use my knife and can you see what I'm doing here? Okay, you do the same thing this way, and you try to make one side bigger. Okay, and you turn it upside down. This is a cup. This is the egg whites. Can you see? Wow, that's nice. This is how to separate egg yolk from the white. So I'll do the same thing to the other eggs. Okay.
Now that the mask is fully set, how does it feel? Okay, make sure when you apply your mask you do well to avoid corners where the hair is. Just make sure you're creative with applying the tissue. So now we'll just leave this on to dry, okay? And you're going to apply this mask on my face. Is that okay? So that's 2 faces for our 3 eggs. So let's watch as it's going to apply this on my face. Please don't break my neck. No, sorry, let me twist your neck like that. Oh my god.
So, here guys, it's time to take off the mask while she's waiting for us to red door. So let me take off this carefully. Wow. A very nice mask, man. Oh. I think this mask should be a very expensive one. I don't know who cares to buy. Can come buy my mask. Yeah, for December purpose. Put your mask carefully. Wow. Check below this video and click on the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Also, use the comment box to drop your comments. Wow. So, this is my mask. And my face, wow. Very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. So, I don't know, is your own dry? Okay, so we're going to also take off our own mask. No, you know, we did mine before, so let's see. This is a very nice mask. Oh, share almost the same face. Oh.
Okay, let me take my mask off.
Okay, so take off your mask. Let me help you.
No, don't.
Okay? Oh, wow. It's not easy, man. Uh-oh. Very, very smooth. I can feel the freshness. Oh, the slime is no longer there. It's very, very dry. So all I need to do now is just to go use soap to wash off my face. So let's see how we can take this off. Okay. Careful. As I said, if you are applying this on your face, you don't laugh. All you do is just to smile. If you want to do a better mask. Okay, so this is Z mask. So your viewers are here. What do you have to tell them What do you have to tell your viewers? They are all, they are watching.
Wow, it's so smooth.
So smooth.
You know what? I can see the whiteheads and the blackheads. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, white and black.
Yeah, they're hot, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So this mask actually works, and it has smoothed my skin. My skin feels so smooth and soft.
So, thank you for checking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. And I know that you've given this video a thumbs up. I know you've subscribed to this channel. Why I said you should hit on the notification button immediately after subscribing to this channel is for you to be notified whenever I bring you new video. And don't forget, this is Kuzi Self Remedy. And
stay tuned and keep watching Kuzi
Self Remedy.
Yeah.
Bye.
Gotcha.